Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here with Qwest E18 Lanai. It's an 18-foot deck. It's 8.5 foot wide, and these are some 25-inch pontoon tubes, so you know it's going to float really nicely for you. Step on the board. I want to show off some of Qwest's furniture right here. So as you can see, Qwest has a really great looking furniture package. It does have multiple colors, multiple tones, a really sharp look. One of the things we love about Qwest is they build all their pontoon furniture in-house. So it creates a look that's a little bit different from everyone else's, but really, really sharp. So new features, they do hinge a little different this year as well. So they open a little different, a really cool feature so that you don't have to worry about, breaking your seats. Really, real well done here from Qwest. As we look a little further back, you see a nice captain's chair, has some nice design to it as well. You see the captain's seat here with the Garmin, the Bluetooth stereo, and a Suzuki pre-rig that can be, we can match a motor up to 75 horse on this motor. Our favorite part about this Qwest Lanai model is as we get to the back of it, you notice this great space back here to enjoy the boat while someone's maybe not in there, but if you have swimmers in your group, guys who like to fish, really nice space back here. So if you're sitting watching kids, grandkids, or family members swim, really good place to do it. If you want folks to dry off before they get into the main part of the boat, great place to grab a towel and dry off before you head into the boat. We also have a really nice stainless steel ladder here. With anything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do offer a full mooring cover, a safety package, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, and an on-water lesson to make sure you're safe and ready to enjoy Ohio's great waterways. We're also going to fill the gas tank up for you that first time. And we're going to handle all of your titling and registration needs here in-house. If you think this could be the boat for you, give us a call or send us a text at 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.